Our Tempting Spoonfuls cover art is a selection of pincho spoons. These tapas-like bites from the Basque region of Spain are perfect to pair with the chocolina from the region. While chocolina, with its notes of lemon, lime, wet stones, and salt, pairs perfectly, there are other wines you can pair with these bites. Sticking with Spain, you might try an Albarino or a Vinho Verde from Portugal. A briny Vermentino from Corsica or Sardinia would be delicious. Or even a cava or other sparkling wine. You'll find these recipes, which are perfect for your next party, plus additional wine pairing suggestions in our book, Tempting Spoonfuls.